Vybz Kartel's big plans for the Freedom Street concert and his intense rehearsal sessions, to Chrissy Carter's surprising return to YouTube amidst family rumors, and Popcaan latest Bushman adventure. I can't wait to hear what you all think about these stories, so make sure to share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start with Vybz Kartel, who's been going all out to show his fans he's ready for his highly anticipated New Year's Eve concert, Freedom Street. After that recent incident where he got sick during a performance at Club Meca, he's determined to prove he can perform for hours. Recently, videos of him rehearsing alongside MC Nuffy, ZJ Chrome, and Scatto went viral, giving fans a sneak peek of what's to come. Kartel blamed his health scare on poor ventilation in the club and promised he could handle a 3-hour show.
See it there, people? Rehearsal. See Nuffy there? See Chrome there? See Scatter there? See Mooney there? See TJ there? See Sparky Beaver there? See the engineer there? 4 hours and 8 minutes. I'm still in the chat, whole heap of song. Yo, I said, watch out, my shots wet your fuck. Watch it, all the floor wet. People in the chat is there night. You notice I'm leaving a post. Because I'm in a post, but I'm going to deliver the night they like grocery. Wow.
But what do you think? Do you believe he's ready to hold the stage for that long? Or do you think he should take it easy? Let me know in the comments. Moving on to Chrissy Carter, who has made a bit of a comeback on YouTube. After 2 weeks of silence, she returned with a series of videos, including one about a wig promotion and a long vlog that her fans were excited to see. But it's not just what she's posting. It's also what she's choosing not to address. While her daughters made appearances, her husband CMR's name didn't come up directly, despite rumors swirling about their relationship. She mentioned brand deals and shared some dated footage but didn't touch on the family issues, especially after CMR's recent arrest. It's clear she's keeping some things private. But do you think it's a smart move to avoid addressing the rumors? Or should she be more open with her audience? I'd love to hear what you think. And finally, we've got Popcaan, who recently embraced his bush lifestyle roots in a unique way. Popcaan, who's from the rural parish of St. Thomas, loves nature, and he took his fans along for the journey in his latest post. Dressed in a full hunting suit with high boots, he shared photos and videos of himself cooking by the river, frying up fish and breadfruit. It's a side of Popcaan we don't always see, and fans love the authenticity of it. But what about you? Do you think Popcaan should do more of these kinds of activities, showing his roots and connecting with nature, or is it just a fun moment for his fans? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.